Hey guys, it is incredibly difficult for small businesses to get customers, especially if they're spending money on ads against bigger players. And this video is going to explain just how crucial the Google Business Profile or the Google My Business is for any local business. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Justin, the founder and CEO of Merchant, and we are going to talk about why, if you're a small business marketer or small business owner, you need to focus on your Google Business Profile. And we're going to start by looking at an example by doing a search for Yoga Los Angeles. And this applies for any kind of business, whether you're a restaurant, a plumber, or a gym, or anything else that needs local customers to thrive. You need to really focus on your Google business profile because ads are going to be way too expensive for you because you're competing with larger brands and website SEO is too slow. And I'll dive more into that. So to start, 90% of people are going to go to Google search or Google Maps and type in something like yoga Los Angeles or yoga near me or best pizza New York City, whatever it is that they're looking for. And if there are ads at the top, only an estimated 2 to 4% of people click on it, meaning that's not an effective way for you to get customers. And it's also very expensive. You might spend, $20 per click and they might not even come. And even if they do come, you're probably not going to earn $20 off that one customer, depending on your business type. And then an estimated 85% of people are going to then pick one of these Google business profiles, with over 50% of the clicks going into the ones in the top three, as opposed to clicking more businesses. And so the businesses that show up at the top on Google Maps are the ones that show up in the top of this search result, which is often called the map pack. And then if we keep scrolling down, you can see that the next set of businesses that are shown under the Google business profiles are websites. And a very common thing that we see, especially after Google's latest algorithm update in August, is that two of the top three websites that are being shown are large brands. So, for example, the first one is a yoga studio here in Los Angeles, but the following is ClassPass, which is a large brand that is not specifically like local, right? It's an app, followed by MindBody, which is also an app like a marketplace where you can book yoga classes. And so if you're trying to get your website to be the way that you get customers as a local business, the odds are incredibly against you because only about 14% of people are going to even click on one of these websites. And you only have one chance to be the top website listing. And if you just keep scrolling, then there's discussions and forums followed by news. Then you have another local option. Then you have Eventbrite. Then you have another yoga place. And so the odds of getting customers from your website are like zero. I wouldn't even focus on it. So back to the Google business profile, if we click on more businesses, this shows us what you would see on the Google Maps search result. And this is pulling from a bunch of different factors to help come up with this list of Yoga Los Angeles. You can see that it's picking a lot of different areas from around the city, right? They're not just all around me. And there are ways that you can work on this so that your business is showing up at the top. And the reason it's so important that your business shows up at the top of these search results is because an estimated 30% of the people are going to click on this first ranked one. 25% of people will click on the second one, 20% of people on this third one. And then if you're down here and you're ranked number 10, you're only getting about 2% of the clicks, right? So if you can go from if you can go from 8 to number 2, you can 10x the number of people that are coming into your business and giving you money. There's a lot that you need to do to optimize your Google business profile. If we look at this top ranking one for this very important keyword, yoga in Los Angeles, you can see they're ranking because they have a keyword they have a review where somebody put the keyword yoga in. They have a lot of pictures of what they're doing. They have 50 reviews, so they're doing a good job getting reviews. And they're adding Google business posts onto their profile as well as videos. They've also gone through here and they've added information that their business description that includes a lot of information about the business. They filled out their details, like their amenities. And so they've just done a really good job filling out their profile. And, there's a lot that you need to do ongoing if you really want to rank high. And that's why we built Paige. Paige is a fully automated AI-powered Google Business Profile Manager that you set up once It takes about 10 to 15 minutes, and then it automates all this stuff for you ongoing. And it's constantly learning what Google cares about every single month, and then adjust the strategy so that your profile has the best chance of outranking all the others. Because, as I mentioned, there's no better way to get customers than the Google Business Profile, because that's where everyone is now searching. If you found this video to be helpful, then please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. It really helps us. And good luck marketing your business.